Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm looking at Tesla. I sold this option on Tuesday. Go back and check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more options trading. But it looks like not going to make this one. It's going to be underwater. I have less than an hour left in the trading day, so I'm going to roll this out for another week and see how we can do. Whoa, $1,800? $18? That's pretty darn good. Sold. Let me fill this order, see if I can get it filled. And I will take that every week. No problem. Okay, I finally got filled. I had to go down little couple cents at a time. I'm at 1833, which is still pretty darn good. 1,800 bucks every week. I will take that deal every day of the week. All right, guys. So here's my position in Tesla now. I have option expiring. I sold a put option at 780, and looks like we're going to be good for another week. Hopefully the stock's going to be going up again. I think it will. I think it's a $1,500 stock. Very undervalued right now, but I'm just trying to make some cash. And obviously I'm still holding some long stock as well. So, see how this goes. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.